guys, my name is Ahmed and today I'm going to show you some magic trick. I have started doing science experiments because I find it quite boring, so I'm going to do some exciting videos about magic tricks. Let's get started. I have two balls there. I'm going to put one in that hand and one in that hand. I'm going to get that ball, which I'm going to put it there and I'm going to show you some proof. Put that, see? And I'm going to put your hand, look, twisting my hand out. Yeah, so that's proof that I'm putting it in that hand. So now it's in that hand. Get that ball. Okay. Now, just put it, and now I have a ball there and a ball there. Now I'm going to switch that to that. I'm going to do a magic move. Well, it's kind of famous. Abracadabra. And now two balls. Okay, now I'm going to show you the secret. The secret behind this magic trick is you need to learn and practice it lots of times. Is when you have to get the ball, you need to put it between your hand like this, and you're going to put it on that hand like I was doing before. Then when I close, I actually don't take the ball, because inside I actually take it, yeah, and then close. So because I do it quick, I actually return it and take it on that on the stump and hide it. And just to make sure that I don't have it, I just put my hand on flat on the table, which actually I do that. Now I'm gonna get that ball. All I just do is I do it quick, and now I have two balls. Okay, so when I say abracadabra, it's actually I don't have any ball in my hand, but I have two, like I showed you before. So now, when I do the secret, I'm going to do abracadabra. You choose any magic move, and then I'm going to open my hand, and then here's the two secrets. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do a like, a comment, and subscribe. See ya. Bye.